Hi guys, it's DJ here from Cozy RC. Today we're going to run the M500. The first run will be on 3S with a 3000 mAh battery. I'm running a 2948 3450 kV motor, a 37 1.4 pitch 2-blade prop. So let's see how it will go. The weather is quite choppy today, so I'm curious how it will perform. Alright, there we go. Okay, make some steering trim adjustment. Wow. Oh, nice. Actually, I really like running in choppy weather because it makes the boat more lively. Yes, running nice. Let's make a sprint. There we go. Oh, nice. So on 3S with this setup, this 37mm prop, the boat will run about 73 kilometers an hour, which is about 45 miles an hour. Oh wow. Oh, it's really alive. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I have to be a little bit careful with the throttle against the wind. Last time when I ran it on very calm weather, very calm water, I thought I could raise the stinger a little bit, but with the choppy weather, in this choppy water, this is just good like this. Oh! So I'm not I didn't install a flat chamber in this boat. Some of you guys are requesting it, and I might make a version with a flat chamber, a self-righting version. In this weather that would be ideal actually. But it's running great. Still have to make a little steering adjustment. So this boat steers on a dime. It's really great. Whoa! You know, you don't need a flat chamber. It will just not flip. That's a dangerous statement. Whoa! But so far it seems true. That's kind of joking, guys. But it is handling the chop very nicely. So for all of you who ordered a kit, thank you very much. I've been very busy, which I think is of course very positive. With selling kits, it goes beyond expectation. So I'm very grateful for that. Thank you guys. You support the hobby in that sense. Nice. Yeah, I think the battery is almost gone. Let's open it up. Wow, this tape is great. I recently bought some hockey tape and yeah, it sticks perfectly. The warmer weather also helps. I don't expect any top speed with this weather. 68 kilometers an hour. Nice. Not too shabby at all. Alright. Next run I'm going to run 4S. The weather is a bit too choppy maybe, but I want to try it anyway. So let's switch the LiPo. Sorry guys, I didn't get too much footage of the 4S speed run. It was just too choppy, and also I messed up the camera angle, so I didn't get a lot of useful footage. The hull just flipped continuously due to the speed and the chop. But finally I did manage to get 92 kilometers an hour, which is about 57 miles an hour. So it's not too bad. I definitely think that on a calm day with calm water and this 38 1.6 pitch prop, I can pass 100 kilometers an hour or 62 miles an hour. So we're going to try that soon. In the background you see the M500, which I'm now building. The big brother of this one. I'm really excited about this one. I can't wait to test it out. But that will be in a separate video soon. Okay guys, thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. Bye!